Pussycat, pussycat, where have you been? I've been to London to visit the Queen. Pussycat, pussycat, what did you there? I frightened a little mouse under her chair. Pussycat, pussycat, what did you see? I saw the big palace all shiny and free. I saw the red soldiers marching in line, and the big clock tower, it looked so fine. Pussycat, pussycat, did you have fun? Oh yes, I played in the warm summer sun. I chased the little butterflies up in the air, and ran in the gardens without any care. Pussycat, pussycat, what did you eat? A bowl of warm milk and a tasty treat. The Queen gave me fish so yummy and sweet. I purred very loud and curled at her feet. Pussycat, pussycat, will you go again? Oh yes, I will travel on the big red train. I'll wave at the children, I'll dance and I'll sing, and maybe I'll wear a small golden ring. Pussycat, pussycat, it's time to sleep. Dream of the castle so tall and so steep. The Queen and the mouse will come say goodnight. Close your eyes, dear kitty, till morning light.